Hi, welcome to SolidWorks 2018-19 video tutorial. Another drafting exercise. I want to do the Spannhebel drawing in SolidWorks. So what do we have here? We have a section view which is superimposed onto the other view. We have some center lines and most importantly we have broken dimension lines. So let's have fun with SolidWorks. So let's insert a new sheet and I want to change the format, or I don't have to change it because I've already changed it before. It always takes the last format and makes a new sheet. But you could of course go here, edit sheet format, not edit sheet format, but you could go to the properties and there you could change the format and the scale. Okay, I need a new view from the model, so go to model view. My assembly is right here and I want to have this one. The scale was 1:1, but it uses a different scale. I could change this to 1.1 like this and put it right there and confirm. Now I want to see only that Spannhebel, so I will select them all, deselect this one and hide those components. Okay, I need another view, sort of isometric view, so I will go for another model view. And again, let's see if we have something useful. No? Yeah, that's okay. And the scale might be 1:2. Yep, put it right there. Confirm, and again let's hide those components I don't want to see. Go there, deselect and hide components. Nice. Let's close this. I need a section view, so I will go for section view. Select, it's already selected, and I went for horizontal and put it right there. That's okay. And auto hatching, yes, and okay. But I want only the slice section like this, and let's put it maybe here and confirm. Now I want to hide that line, so go here, right click, go to hide cutting line, and I don't want to see those tangent edges. So how to get rid of these? First let's close this one. Just go here, right click and go to tangent edge and tangent edges removed. That's more like it. And I don't need this. I could of course delete this and maybe move this up a little bit or like that. Okay, now for my dimensions I will need some center lines, so go for center mark. I need circular lines and radial lines and switch to slot center, slot ends and arc slot ends. So first select this one, that one and this one. And if you go for radial lines, looks like this, and I might base center mark, yes, slot center mark, and let's take a look, because I don't need that one. Circular lines, radial lines, yes, base center mark, I don't need the base center mark, not really, and confirm. Now for some simple center marks, one here, that's okay. Confirm. Now some radial dimensions, one here, okay, one here, one no, that's the wrong one. I need it here, over there, and here as well. No, not this one, but just that simple one. Okay, now let's select them all and set the precision to 0, none. Okay, now if you want to dimension this one, this could be a problem, but it works, so that would be 7, 9. I will change this afterwards, or right now I want it to be precision just 1, and I have to add a tolerance, and I could only go for bilateral because there's no other option, and this would be minus 0.1. Okay, then I need dimension here, so select this one, and if you you move it in that direction, you got this sort of dimension, and again this should be precision 0, but a fit, and that fit should be D10, and it should be right after the original value, and confirm. Then I need a dimension from that center to this center right here, that would be 15, and again precision is none. Then I want to make a dimension from that point, no, so from this point to that point. So precision again is none. Dimension text should be without that symbol, and I want to add a fit, and this should be D10 as well. Okay, sorry, again it should be like this. Now move this a little bit up, this one over here, maybe like that, and this one down below, and that one a little bit up like that. Okay, and this should be like this. Great. Another dimension here, 30, and precision none. I'm not able to do a dimension tangent from this arc to that arc. Not possible. So I need to draw a point just in the middle of that arc. But therefore I have to move that view, otherwise I cannot put the point into this view, but it will go to that view. So I want to move this a little bit up, like that. Now I can put a point here in the middle. Then I can do a smart dimension from this point to that point up here. Okay, this will be a driven dimension. And of course it should be precision none. I need another one from this point to the center of this one. That would be 1, 2, 5. Again make it driven, again make it none precision. Confirm. Now let's move this a little bit over here and that one a little bit over there. Now move this back again. So select it and no. That's really kind of odd. This should be the one, yeah, now I've got it. And move that one a little bit over here, maybe like this. Okay. Now I want to break some dimension lines. So in order to make a break, it's similar to the NX break. You have to select the dimension and activate the breaks. And sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Somehow. Let's try. Let's see if this one would break that one. So that might be a problem because this line could hide that one. So these two, this one and this one, should be separated with that one. So select this one and that one. Go to leaders. Go to break lines, make it a visible gap, let's say 5 mm. Now it works. Okay, great. Let's see, we might need one here as well, so I want to break this one. Leaders, break lines. Again, break extension and dimension lines and go for 5 mm and confirm. Yeah, works. Great. What's missing? Missing is the surface finishing. So let's go for surface finish. Put it right there with double click. Escape the command and then select it once more and now switch to a different symbol. Okay, and add a value, and that value would be 3.2. And okay, and I think I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook cat fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.